using the some basic cards applications. We don't apply the any graph charts .js. We know this just implemented using the cards. Okay, we can explain how to build this like way. Okay, and next one is the progress statistics, how to implement the progress statistics in this content, and how to insert the map images and like this is not a image, this just is a image. And next is the leaderboard ship, how can improve these images and how to import some application, some dot icons like this way. So we can implement complete this in the, this is the completely scratch, we are just using the flexes. You can implement this simple dashboard. Okay, let's shall be start. Okay, first you can open your editor. I am using the editor is Visual Studio. So let's build a HTML file. So my HTML file is code.html. So this is the HTML file. Okay, just enter on this and make a one, and make some style sheet also. So I'm making the style here CSS. So okay, make sure this you can, first of all you can link up this, because of we can making the separate external CSS. Okay, on that purpose we can must be link up. So just write the structure of the HTML structure. So I'm writing the HTML structure and link up the page. So now I'm linking the page. Okay, this is the just page, this is the linked page. So you can observe this is the linking page. So on that angular tag we can improve the what's our file name, that's okay. I'm just linked that. So save on this. Okay, yeah, we can save this. So next, what can we do? So I can showing to the once again, because we can exploring to which one we are moving. So like this I'm moving to the file. So this is the entire content. So make sure, but first of all make the container. Okay, I'm making the container. Wait one second. Okay, yeah, we can all the reference links also be created. So on the purpose we can moving on this. So just make a one container. Yes, we can make a container. So on that container, each container having the displaying the flex way. Just we can make coming to this spot, and each class accessing through only the dot, and IDs are accessing through the hash symbols. Okay, so just copy this class name. I'm copying this class name. So come to the here, so you can paste on the paste of the class name. Okay, what happened? Yeah, sorry, just paste on it and move on this. So what you can do, display flex. So default flex is the row way. Okay, just save on this and come to the HTML file and just save on this. So these all are the saved. Next, what can you have the main container? Two major parts are there. One is the navigation, one is the nav tabs, and there's this and another one is the header. So the content, so I am calling the header. All the contents are there, so I am calling the header. So accessing the like this way. So first of all, what do we have? Side nav. Side nav. Okay, one class is the side nav, and another one is the header. This is the two headers mark my. So first on that first I'm just reference preference which where we is displaying. So in this way I can layer writing here. Okay, just okay, and displaying here. Save it, and we can move into the our main page. So just I am not opening the server. So just over right click, and you can use any editor. I am using the open with live server. So this is the fast and automatically updating the purpose. So click on the open this purpose, my server is opening. So let's observe which element is where displaying. So you can observe here. So here side nav and header are displaying the row way. Flex, how we can making the flex is the display is the flex. So next we can make some height. So I'm giving the height is 100 view height. Okay, viewport height. So make it like this way. So we can make the background color. So easy way to which one displaying the color and just purposeful way. So just making the aqua color and save it and come to purpose. So this is our 100% view height. Viewport height, VH is calling the viewport height. Just remove the background color. So because of our background color is the two different way. One is the white and one is the white. And wait one second. So you can observe is one is the completely white and is the sum of the dark color way. Okay, so just come on coming to our code. So just access this side now and display those contents. So okay, just paste on it classes. Okay, in this display and the content. So what's our background color? So background color is the completely white. So we can, I am using the code. So hash ff. Hash ff is the white background color code, and we can using only the part of the 10 viewport width. Okay, so I'm using the width only the 10 viewport width. Okay, just save it, and you can observe this. Here is the white color, and you can changing this color. So I'm providing some height also. This is, we can also having the width height is also 100 view heights. So I'm giving the completely using the view height is the 100 viewport. Okay, just not vh, can observe, and here we can applying the background color. So I'm the background color applying the again aqua. So let's save it and come to this part. You can observe here our color is the completely changed. So coming to the next one. So next one, what's our containing this is the header part color. We can changing the header part color. Okay, just applying this again. So dot header part color, and you can must be observed background color. So our background color is, I'm just copying the code, color code. So don't bother about, I can each and everything I can providing our description. I can uploading this code also in GitHub lab, and assets I can use it, some images assets I can providing in the source link of the GitHub. We don't bother about it. Okay, so let's move and paste the color. I can go observe this. Wait 1 second. And we can, what can we do, we can observe entire bit. So we can observing the entire bit. So save this content. So move on this. Okay, you can observe our two colors are there. So one is the white and another one is the red. And next part, like when what can we do, we're displaying these image. Okay, you can observe this Tesla is the logo and some of the content. So we can move on this way. So come on, coming to the nav head part. So on the nav head part we have the image. So I am using the image part. So what can we do, yeah, image, we can access the image. So on that here, don't, or we can just only the tag way. So I'm using the tag. So on the tag we can having the, I can having the images in the pre-field. So you can observe here pre folder. On that pre folder I have the images folder. On that images folder I have the T symbol of the T. So you can observe that. So first letter of the Tesla, T is coming here. So and next two letters I can accessing. Next two letters I am accessing the. So again I am using the, because of two parts of images I am taking. So on that purpose we are accessing the two files two times. So okay, just part in, and again we coming to the images part. On that image part we having the Tesla. So you can observe that image are displaying. So you can observe Tesla image is there. So you can observe here where logo is there. Okay, and next we can move. Sorry bother about this. Yeah, I'm closing this, coming to this. So making this is full screen. Just drag and drop it. Okay, so this is the, on that part we can having the seven folders. Just to wait 1 minute. Okay, yeah, you can observe this, these are the 7 tabs. So I'm making the I'm making the those 7 parts. So what's here, nav tabs. So 7 nav tabs are there. 7 nav tabs into 7. Just click on this. So each nav tab I having the some special contents. So okay, just I am displaying those. So just first one is the report, and the next one is the library. Next one is the, and next one is the library, and next one is people. People, yeah, right, people. And the next one is the activity. Okay, and the next one is the activity, and the next one is the support. Come on to this, is the support, and the next one is the get start. Get start. And the next one is the settings, just settings, the settings. You can save this part and come to the our main page. So I am opening the live server again, so you can easy way to watch this because of last time we can lost that just drag and dropping purpose. So you can observe here our each part is coming there, but we have the providing the some padding. So padding we can giving the each time, so we can increasing their levelity. Okay, I'm providing the padding also. So what's our, sorry, this is the nav tab, but we can giving the C on that purpose. I'm changing that. Okay, we can access this class and we can providing the some padding. So right, so on the purpose, so just providing the padding. So padding is, so how much we giving, so we providing the 2% of padding. So it applying the all the sides. So just to simply reference and we providing the 10% of padding. It's completely changed our content. Yeah, we can observe, we can completely this referential way we can observe here. So here and here are the both contentable way. Yeah, okay, we can moving to the next part. We can observe here both is the same. And next part is the this color, and this color I'm saying to you at the last. So some more color properties are using on the time I can saying this way, that also. Okay, just I'm closing this and we can moving to this and this, the report and download. Okay buddies, now we can build the head report and download structures. So on that purpose I'm making the one class, so that is the report and download. These are the class, and on this class we have the two functions, two classes. So other two classes are, one is the report, one is the report, sorry, one is the report and the next one is the download. Okay, one is the report and the download, sorry, not m, so it's the n. Okay, I'm coming to the make the class. So make the class, sorry, okay, let's making the class of the download class. So these are the two classes. On the two classes we have the two functions. So let me do this. You can upload now. I accessing this, so I'm displaying this in flex, and what we can do, flex and displaying the space between the, so now displaying the space between the, so display flex and justify content is the space between the, so you can observe this structure of the our code. So next moving to this and okay, this is our structure. So we can observe here, so here is the our report and here is the our download. So we can coming to here, so you can observe, but little bit of this is the increase, this size and this size is the different, so we increasing the font size. So just improving the font size. So coming to the here main class, so I am using the inner style also. So now inner style is important sometimes, so some small modifications we can use the inline css. So what's we can do first, for to increasing the font size. So that font size is the, I'm giving the 16 pixels. So now save and coming to the code. So just it's not affecting anything, just I'm referring this. So not 16 pixels, we can, I can increasing this into 20 pixel, 25 pixels. Now I'm giving to the percentage way, so easy way to we can, how much percent we are using to increasing the percent. So it is going to the very small. uh, okay, what can we do? This it will, this is the correct way. So I'm providing the best font size. So first I'm, okay, first I'm providing the font style, font size. Okay, font size, what's the, where is the font size, here is the font size, and I'm giving to the okay, 1 inch, 1 inch. This is the very big, I think. So this, where is this, this is we can observe here very big. So we can moving to the 20%. Now save this and come on to this. I, okay, 1 inch, we're giving the 1 inch and save this different. different parts we can learn in this here. So inch or viewports or this all are the working very well. So I am giving the 0.3% inch. So just moving to this, these are the our content. So you can observe here, here and here are the reports are equal but some little more of distance. So I can making this into some bold container. So font weight, I'm applying the font weight. So on the font weight, so this is the, I'm giving the font weight is the bold. So I'm giving the font weight is bold and save this. So you can observe here and here, so looking like the same, but this purpose. Okay, so so you can observe here and here some padding, some padding is missing, some padding is missing because of here and here is the some distance are missing. So on that purpose I'm moving to the providing the some distance also. In this purpose what can we do? So just applying the padding. Which padding we are giving? The padding left purpose I need the space. So on that purpose I am giving the 2% and saving this part and open the live server using the functionalities. So okay, just wait 1 second. Yeah, so you see, observe here, so here and here, here and here some distance are there. Okay, so it's looking good. And here download, some moving the download left side. So I'm moving the download the left side. So just here download, and here is also you can changing the download. Okay, just coming to the style path again and giving this is, and we can we wanting only the padding left. Padding left is 2% or 3%. I'm giving the 3%, just it looking purpose good. Okay, you can observe it's not moving. Okay, just because it because okay, just 3% padding. So I'm providing the padding also. So it's okay, good, it's looking same to this part, and this part is the same. And we can move into this line, how to apply this line. So this line is applying very simple. So just we're providing the outside of this container. So just close this, we can made it this same way over. So just hr tag, use the hr tag and save this. And you can observe here our tag is also there. So here observe one tag, one line tag is there, that's also the completed. Okay, next we are moving to the frame. The frame, this is time frame, all time frame, these are the our drop down. So any user sometimes are searching some specified type way. So that is this dashboard. So I'm making this very quickly, so you can observe this. So on purpose we making the drop down. Okay, so one is the drop down class. So I'm making the drop down class. On the drop down class what we have the content. So this is, these are the content. So I'm accessing these contents. So this name. So okay, so dot, I'm accessing this. Just we can, I opened this, and on that we have the two elements. So this is this. Okay, so let's observe this. I am applying this style. I am applying this style on this drop down. This is displayed in the flex way. So okay now. So I am coming to here and display flex way. So this is display. What's the display content? Display is flex, and justify contents is same. Justify content is the space between. Okay, we need the three elements, each one having the, we need separate spaces. Okay, just applying, I am applying the some inner style css. So okay, we can observe the what we are moving the content. So on the in this purpose we wanting the background color. Okay, background color, that is the I'm using the lk blue. So you can observe, we can come into the here. So this you can, here we can observe in the, here is the background color. So because of basically you are not visible, yeah, it's see, this is the background color, we are making the background color this. Okay, we can moving to the our main part. So background color is there. And the next what we have, next to downing this. So easy way to we can moving. So what's what some width, we wanting the some width. So we can observe this, we wanting the some width. So I'm here here I am using the width is the okay width 20 view width. I'm using the 20 view width, it's completely looking good. So here can observe some width is increased. I'm zooming this. Yeah, this is, so you can see this some width is also increased. So and we need the some height is also there. So I'm using here height is the 5 view height, it's the completely looking good. Okay, so made, and what can we do? Some view height, because of increasing the width, and on that view heights we need the some border radius. So because of, we can observe here, some border radius is also there. So border radius also is there. Okay, this braces. Okay, on that purpose I am making this. So providing the border radius. Okay, used border radius is the 18.6 or 7%. So this is the completely looking good. So coming to this, you can observe our braces, curly braces is there, but you can observe here, in this time text is in the middle, but our text is in the starting point. So we can adjust that, we can adjusting the text. So okay, that purpose we can using the displaying the display contents in inline only, inline flex. Okay, this inline, sorry, inline block, not inline flex we are using the. So on the inline flex we can observe here, just is there, and okay, we can moving to the inline flex, and justify content is the flex start only. Justify content is the flex flex start only. Okay, I'm using the flex start, and the next is the our align element. All the align elements are in the available only the center of the content. So you can observe, coming to this, you can observe here. So our element is in the middle of the part. You can observe here, where is this? Yeah, our element is the middle of the part, and I am providing the span of the elements because of moving with the all the parts. So coming to here, so in the purpose I am making this is in the span. So we can applying the some inner CSS also. Okay, on the purpose. So what is our, what this is, time frame. Okay, this is a time frame. On this purpose I am using the some styles also. On that style, first is the padding. I am giving the padding like, left is the 5%, and save this. So you can observe our content is there in the sum of the padding. We can observe here is the some padding is there. Okay, yeah, you can observe this some padding is there. So we are applying the some padding. Okay, and on that, and we have the another element is also there. So that is the again span and all purpose, all. So we are using the all. You can see now, you can observe all is also there, but we observe here time frame. Time frame is in all the letters are in the capital. This is the main scope, so we can change that value now. So you can coming to the here and apply this some size again. So we can just applying the font variant. Font variant, we have the small caps. So just save this and come on to this. So let's observe our document. So observe our time frame is also changed, like this way we can make this three. Okay, we made this all the three. So I'm changing this. So reset the file. Okay, now looking good. So here and here are the, so I'm, this is also making reset. Okay, so this is, and these are the looking good. I'm applying this some padding also. After that, completing the, so now it is completed. This is completed. So just I am closing. We have how many of this wanting this, same this way. So three. So just applying this, and this. So observe three. Okay, one, two, three. Just we can change our text. So people and topic, just we are changing the topic, only the people, and this is last one is the topic. Okay, last one is the topic, and the next one is the people. So now observe, okay, time frame, people and topic, all our topic is covered. Okay, next we can moving to build this, building this structure. Okay, this structure, these cards, these all the cards. Okay, and these all the cards and activities. Okay, just I'm first in this saying this activity, question and answer, average responding, how to make this all the structure. Okay, then after I can moving the completely, this graph is completely building only the using the cards. Okay, each cards I can explain only the flex directional way, only this that I can exploring the each and every. Okay, okay, let's build to this plot. Okay, I'm coming to this. Okay, now let's build to this part. Okay, users, and this is the, so next I'm moving to the code. So just close the drop down parts and coming to the stuff. So what we need first of this, I'm calling this is the and the frequently asked questions, so FAQ, and this is the activity statistical bar, monthly wise activities. Okay, I'm making this class. So first of all, I'm making the class name, so that is the FAQ and activity. Sorry. Okay, take on activity. On that activity, I have this, we can observe. On that activities, I'm working on the thing, this frequently asking question. This is, I'm making this is entire in the one card. Okay, I'm making this is in the card. So first card, second card, and third card, like this way. Okay, and so I'm coming to this is the card. This is the card. On that card, I having the two topics. You can observe here, this is the first topic, and this is the second topic. On the next part, I having the three topics like this. These are the one is the first we can say it like this way. So this is the top content, and this is the mid content, and this is the low content. Okay, this otherwise we can call in this is the graph. Okay, so just make those classes all in the on that card. Okay, so you can observe, this is the entire card. On that entire card, we having the three major concepts. This is the top content, mid content, and the graph. So make those. So this, so top content is the one class, and next class is the, and the next class is the mid content, and the next class is the graph. Okay, next class is the graph. These are our three classes. So let's, we can making this in the, apply this some CSS, we can easily observe. So we can observe here, so we missing some padding. So drop down section, we missing the some margin. So I'm applying because of, I'm showing to you. So here you can observe some of the padding. So here you can observe, it is the touching to the our side now. So just we can apply the margin, we can margin it. So both side it adding the some distance. Okay, so just I'm giving the 5%. Okay, just save it, and you can observe, we can observe here. So that's, you can observe, so 2% is very good. So the about of the okay, 2%, and save this. So you can observe, so it's a top notch, it's looking good. So next, on the top we can making this. So just displaying what, which type. So the same, which class we are accessing. So I'm closing these files. So now coming to this, so this is the activity, frequently asked activity questions. So on that way, so display in flex way. So I'm displaying the flex. Okay, sorry, display flex, and justify content is the space around. Justify content is the, I'm using the space around. So because of we have in the another topic is also, because that is the, this topic, this is the one topic, and this is the second topic. So okay, on that purpose, so on that purpose we have the card. So on that card, each card, which way do we are displaying. Okay, which way, this is also in the displays in the flex way also, this is also in the flex. So I'm flexing on the flex direction. Okay, so just we can making this. So flex. Okay, just flex, save this, and coming to the, and make the background. So card background, we having the back, you can observe here. So this is card background is the completely white. So on that purpose, I'm making the, so sorry for the delay. So okay, so background color. Okay, okay, background color is the white, completely white. Okay, completely white, save this is also. And okay, and we have the some width and height also, the cards we having the some width and height. So on the purpose, so I am using the width is the 19.6%. Okay, so this is the looking very good. Okay, no, we because here is the not displaying. So because we're not adding the any content. So okay, I'm just adding the some small values, so you can observe very easily. So okay, and h, save this, and come on to this. So you can observe here some value is displaying. So on that purpose, because of it's not displaying properly, because of, okay, on that purpose, because of it not displaying, it is a one container, frequently asked is the one container. So make that container first, and display the content all in the flexible way. So first access the faq class. On that class we having this one. Okay, not card, it's a chart. Oh, okay, okay, card, okay. And we have access this class and displaying in flexible way. So first make this is in first display this in the flex way. So display flex, okay, display it's not inline, so we are using the flex, okay, display flex. And this we having this some gap also because of frequency and activity having this some gap, frequency and activity, this is observe this gap. So on the gap purpose I am using the gap, okay, actually providing the gap, okay, I am using the gap here. So gap I am providing the 20 pixels, 20 pixels is the enough for my cards, okay. So let's observe what's our maintaining the code. So okay, just we can observe each and everything, okay. And next moving to the width. So here I am, okay, I'm using the width only the 50% only. So half of the content is the frequently asked question, half of the content is the activity purpose, okay. Let's observing this, okay. Coming to this, but in this card I having the flex vapors because of it's going to the n cards, it's going to the mainly is one direction, okay. So but not when they reaches to the 50% of it, it's going to the cards in next way. So I'm using the that purpose, flex vap is in vap way, okay, vapor way, okay. And justify contents also the in this purpose I am using the space evenly, okay. Just contents are also using the space, okay, space evenly, just observing here, okay. Just this is the our complete this. And the height I having the height also, height which and on this card I am using the height is the 17.6, okay, 17.6 visual heights. So this is the completely looking this, okay. This is our card, you can observe this is our card. But this card is not displaying correct way. So you can observe here these are all is in the column way. So here you can observe these are all are displaying in the row way. So you can now updating the code, right? You can again update the code, okay. Just we can just make the flex direction. So flex direction, so I'm making the flex direction is in column. So just making the flex direction is the column. So just we can observe our data, our information is in columnatical way, our information is in columnatical way, okay. Every part is there, okay. Top content is top content, top content, bottom content we can update. So we can providing this some padding. So just purpose I am using the top content, it's not accessing this way. So top, yeah. So top content, so I needing this some padding. So top content I needing this some padding. So that padding left, just left purpose, so I'm using the 5% padding. So it's looking good, top notch, it look good, top notch, okay. And next we can moving to the that top, that content is also displaying the display inline flex. I wanting the display inline flex, okay, display inline flex. And I have also the font weight, some font weight. So I am using the font weight is the okay, font weight is 500 600. So I am using the bolder, so bold, we can observe, we can observe my content is the bold, okay. It's and next bold is also there. And margin top like this way you can observe some provided some margin top. I'm giving this some little bit margin top, so because of it is the header top, so I'm using the 10% or 20%. So just observe, yeah, it's looking very good. So you can observe here, so this is the content, so I'm displaying this only, so you can easily check out this, okay. Now on the k place I'm replacing this value, you can observe, we can observe here, okay. Our content is the looking like this way, okay. But some border is missing, I can update this that code also, okay. I can update it that, okay. So just I'm now just updating. So border is missing, so border radius is there, I'm using the 18.47 pixels is the good. So let's make the good enough, okay. We can observe our card is looking like this way and looking this way. And I have mid content, mid content we have the some middle of this, you can observe the mid content or is in the middle of the top content, okay. Just come on to this, So come on to this code and just update the mid content. Okay, dot mid content, mid content. What can you do? Just text element. Okay, we are only using the text element. So the text content. So make it in the center and providing the padding 10%. I'm using the 10%. This is 10. So you can observe, so our content is also in the middle. So here you can observe our content is also it's in the middle part. Okay, just move on to this our main code and update the code. So what do we have in the middle code? So we have in middle the code. So we have the two topics. So 96 by 100, 96 by 100. So I'm using the span. So okay, a span we have in the 96 is in the one span and another 90 by 100 is in the next span. So slash 100 slash 100. So I'm using the style inner style. So inner style, in this inner style I'm making the first is the font size. So font size is the 24 pixels. I'm using this. So just save it and you can observe. Okay, 26 per 6 is the looking very good. And make the font weight. So font weight, so I'm the font weight is the 700. So just looking this 76 by 100 looking like this. But you can observe here some displaying content. You can observe little bit optical. So now optical this, now optical that. So okay, now optical that. So on the person just we can use in the optical opacity I'm giving the, so some 68%, 68%. So just we can observe. So just we can observe, it's looking good. Okay, it's not good because of we applying the this optical is in the this this style, not this style we apply. So we can apply this is in the this. Okay, 100% here. So using this style and this is in apply here. So just save it and come on to this. So you can observe it's looking good, it's looking well. So okay, these are the covered. So we removing this because of now it is not need, now it is not need. We have how many cards are we need? So that's all are in the 6 cards. Now copy this content, and applying this in the 7 times. So we need the 7 cards. Okay, save this and observe how many cards is there. So these all are in the, okay, good. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6, and we need to the 2 more also, 7 and 8. Let's save it and you can observe 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, this is in the looking 7 cards. These are the 7 cards. Why it's are displaying like this way? So now just apply the update the code. So just what can we do? Okay, frequently ask what they also. Okay, displaying the flex. Okay, justify content is the around, and frequently ask is also the gap. And okay, okay, gap is the 25%. So now we can access this, access next. Okay, just I am closing the, and we can make the activity class also. We can make the activity class also in this container, activity class also. So on that purpose we can make in the good. So just wait. Okay, okay, I'm making this separate classes. I'm making the copying the separate classes. So just remove, make only the one class. On that purpose we can making the each and everything, we can making the each and everything. Just close the card only, so just copy the card. So why it are displaying the like this way? Because of we copying the main class also, main class frequently also class also copied. Okay, just move and save this. Now we can observe each card is in the flexible way, no wrapping. So I am saying to you. Okay, and just coming to this topic. Okay, observe, so our cards are in the good animatically way. So but it's not displaying in proper way, Okay, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. All these are covered. So first make the image, first make the graphs, I can saying to you. So just I'm displaying, and then after I can fix the all the steps. Okay, just make the graph. Okay, we are in, okay, graph. Now access the image. So now I'm accessing the image. That image is all in my folder. On that folder is the pre, on the inner fold image, and this mirror fold graph. So just observe. So observe this last container of images is displayed. So now again access all these places. Place it all this. Okay. Now close this card, and now displays here. Just update, and you can observe next image is also I have in my graph. Okay, and moving to the third card. Moving to the third card. So moving to third. So display and save it, and again display and save it. Many cards are there. Okay, all the four cards are fixed. Okay, all these four cards are images also there. So now fix the content in the wrapitical way. Wrapitical way. So okay, close this. So I'm closing the FAQ section. Okay, FAQ section. We can observe there FAQ section have a, we have this some error. Okay, FAQ section having the some error. Okay, so I'm giving the gap 10. Okay, gap 10. Okay, gap 10 pixels. Width is 50%. Okay, this is also fine. 10 pixels, and width is fine, and okay, wrap and space evenly. Width is 50%. Flex. Okay, just saving. So this is already displaying in the outside. Okay, wait 1 second. So just we making the another class. Wait. Yeah, we made a error again. So this class, we can observe this class completely built in outsides of the class. So let's remove just this class, just remove this class. We can make very easy content, but small errors make the big resolution. On that purpose, I'm closing this tag. So you can observe our class is in the first column way, first column way. Another. Okay, now it is in center. So I'm opening this tag and just copying this. Which topic I can calling the all this topic. Okay, just okay. Yeah, now save this code and come to the out topic. So okay, some property is missing. Some property is missed again. So come to this save. Okay, 6 cards. What's which one is missed? Which one is missing? Which one is okay? Okay. Next, come to here and save the. Wait. What's happening? Something is going wrong. Now see, our 6 cards is there. Okay. Now 6 cards is there, but it is in the point of view. So okay. Now close this section. Now close. Now closing this code, and we making this second class, that is the activity. Activity. Okay. Activity. Activity. So I'm making this. So some letter. So just displaying the content. Just displaying the content. So that is in the this what access this code using the width 50%. Using the width 50%. Okay, just observe. Okay, our code is in the, let's see, this all the because of we not giving the second part. So basically doing what is this. So just placing the center, and next time which class which class which flex is there, next flex. So on the purpose they can adjust it. So we can observe so clearly. Yeah, so now we're displaying this chart. Okay, so this is the graphs and percentage and month names like this. I can showing to you everyone how to develop, how to build. Okay, next moving to the our what. So just okay, come to this main, then after we can move to the next. Okay, in this we having the chart. Okay, so just I'm showing this. These are the entirely I'm saying the chart. Okay, let's come on that. So on the activity class I am saying this is one of the chart. Okay, on the chart I having the some content. So this is the content, that is all the content of the chart. So I'm taking again the one class, that is the content of the chart. Okay, on the content of the chart, what's I having the, just I having the content, just I having the content. So I am just displaying this, but this text, you can observe this text having the some text alignments and a padding. So like that I'm giving this, so I'm just saving. So come on to the topic. So just you can observe what's happening. Okay, and activity, yeah, our activity is also displaying. So and next, in this after we having the one line. So you can observe here one line is there. Okay, I'm closing this. You can observe one line is there, so we can display the one line. So just simply use the hr tag. This is the horizontal tag. Okay, this is the horizontal tag. You can observe our document. So our documents having the one tag. Okay, so next what we having the, so you can observe next we having the month charts. This containing only this, these are the, so entirely I am saying the chart. On the chart we have the main content. On the main content we have the month charts. Okay, these all are I am saying to the month chart. So I'm making the one is the month. Okay, month chart. Okay, on that month chart I having the, on that month chart I having the month graphs. I having the month graphs. Okay, so let's build month graphs. Okay, dot moving month. Okay, month graph. Okay, on that month graph I having the percentages. On the month graph, percentages and some lines and some percentage viewing. So just build this. Okay, how many percentage there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 percentage. So now build the 6 percentages. Okay, dot graph percentage. I'm saying the graph movie. This is all in the 6. Okay, just I'm building the 6 classes. So first one is the 100%. Okay, so just making, so 100% and 80%. Now it's in the 60%. And next I am in the 40%. Next I am in the 20%, and next I having the 0%. So just observe it. So just observe. So our content is like this way. So on that, okay, this is the, okay, this is the one of the five. And next you can observe here. So our display this, you can build this, you can build this. So month graph. Again, month graph I having the plot, that is having the inner plot also. Plot, inner plot, month graph. On that month graph I having the plot. So this is the entire plot. On the entire plot I having the inner plot. This is okay. This purpose we can observe carefully. I can showing to the, you can observe that I'm can build build that. Okay, so dot, okay, dot having the month graph. Okay, just I am using the again the same content, month. Yeah, okay, month graph. Okay, month graph. On the month graph, I have plot. So okay, one plot. So just use ELOT, one plot. On that plot, I having the inner plot also. One long term, one plot. So this is the complete term. On the inner plot, I having the one plot, one small plot. Okay, just I am using the dot inner plot, dot inner plot. Okay, just I am having the, so on the inner plot I having this display content. So you can observe here, you can observe, okay, small dot is there. Okay, small dot is there. So just making style, make the style. Okay, come to the here, counting the here. So just activity. So on that activity 50%. Okay, so display content is flex. Okay, display content is press flex. Display content is Second in this space evenly. Just second in this space evenly. Just save it and come to on this next part. I having the chart. So on the chart, background color is the white. So background color is the white. Make that background color and move on to this and come to our topic. So our background color is there. Okay, and make some radius and width also. So width I am using here is the 90%, 80%. Okay, make the 90%, 90%, and then after I'm making this some border radius. So on that border radius, so that border radius is the 18.6 pixels. Let's see, you can observe. So our border radius is also there. Okay, next move on to this. So this chart is completed. This chart is completed. Okay, coming to the next. What is the next? Next is the month chart. We can observe here. This is the month chart. Okay, moving to this access and access this month chart. Month chart display in Flexway. Month chart is display completely in Flexway. Okay, just Flexway. You can say our content is the. So let's observe this this dot. This dot is so inner the dot. I am showing to this inner plot of the data. Inner plot of the data, that is the dot. So displayed in the Flexway. Okay, just moving to this flex. Okay, now come to the month chart is completed, and then after month chart we have the month graph also. Month graph. Okay, dot. Okay, okay, I'm accessing the month graph. So month graph, yes, graph, and completely save it. And month graph we having the some padding and width is also there. So I'm using the padding, complete padding. So both height wide and width wide and top and bottom also. So 2.9% I am using. So it completely good way it's seen to. And some width is using here is I am using width is the 10 pixels. 10 pixels is the good. Okay, just observe here. Here in the higher is the some width is there. Okay, coming to the next part. Coming to the next part. So graph per also we having this some padding. So you can observe this. You can observe this here and here have the some padding here and here. So like that we can make that padding also. So come on to the topic. So that is the graph per. Okay, I'm coming to the class and copying that class. Okay, just wait a minute. Yeah. Okay, I'm to this, I'm going to this, access this class and padding. So I'm using the padding 55%, 55%. So just looking very good in the after. So I'm applying the color. I can showing to you each and every content. Okay, just we can access again. Plot is there, graph plot is over, and coming to the inner plot. Okay, coming to the plot. Now we can displaying the color. Now we can displaying the color. Okay, just I'm placing this. Okay, and just using the background color. I'm using the background color is okay, okay. This I'm using the background color. This background color I'm providing to you. Okay, don't bother about this. So this all the code is also available in our GitHub. I can providing the repository link also. So I can just save. Okay, just save and providing the some radius. So also border radius. Providing the border radius. I'm using the 92.36 or 37. I'm using the 36 pixels. Use the pixels and save this. And height is also 100%. So entire you can observe. I'm showing to you. Wait once again. So you can observe this entire person, but where is the dot there? That person only you can it can be occupied. So use the height. Okay, height of how much we can accessing the height is the 100%. We can observe 100% how much it is there. 100% they can use that. You can see 100% is it is used. 0 to 100% is there. Okay, next what is the inner plot? Inner plot you can observe. Plot, inner plot we have this different plot. So this is you can see, I can see it's showing to you actual plot. So this is in the some blue and some blue and some of the content some low opticals is there, and it is the uppercase completely white, completely white space is coming. So change the color. Okay, on that purpose. Okay, some inner class. Okay, I'm coming to this and access to this inner plot. On the inner plot I have the background color. So background okay, background or background color. So I'm using the background, so that is the hash ff. Okay, use the hash this. So okay, just save this and come on to this. Okay, I'm not providing the values, so I'm providing the height. I am not providing the this. So border, it's okay, and the border radius, not border. So sorry, border radius is the border radius is same. I'm using the 92.36 pixels, 92.36 pixels. Okay, I'm using the color code for best coloring this purpose. So just I'm dragging like this way. Okay, just saving this, just saving, it's looking good purpose. So coming to the inner plot, so inner plot I am applying this style. Okay, so in this here um, height is the 10%, use the 20%, 10%. Okay, coming to this, save this content. So coming to our main page, so you can observe here some of the content is observed. So now increasing the content, so I'm using the some 40%, some 40%. It's looking very good. So you can see, so make that is in white color, so make it white color, so it you can identify easily. So okay, just using the ff2 colors. So f2 f2 f4, so f2 f2 ff. So it's a white color, so it's a completely white color. You can observe our both colors are accessible, so 60%. So this data is the, so first January month activities is the 60%. Like this, how many informations we are needing? 12 months 12 access we are needing, 12 months 12 accesses we are needing. Which only, so that's only the month data. So on that month data we have need to the one content. You can observe that, that is the what's that, that is the month data. You can observe that. So that is the, we can applying the span of element. So just John, so just apply the John. So I'm going to this, so I'm sure this are applying the here. So what can we do, just applying to the, go to the here and copy this and come on to this, apply here. So just it's looking this which of the month, so on that month it having showing the their month also. Okay, so just copying this month data. So I'm copying this, so all the months can make all the months. Okay, we can make the all the months. Some of the class is missing somewhere, so on that purpose we are losing the data. 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. So you can observe our 12 months are there. I think 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, all the months are there. So okay, this is the graphical way we can make this. Okay, we can making the next part, next is this is this. How can we make the progress bar and implement the map function. Last section we made this, so but our heights, so our plotting heights are the same, equal to constants. Now how to change this heights? Okay, just come on to the our code. So just open our I'm opening the frequently asked task. On the task I have the activity. On that activity we have the some percentage. On the month class we had the inner plot size are we can change. We can maintain only the 40% for everyone, every month. So now we can update that month. So I am first month I am giving the 40%, second month 20, and 80%, 50%, 10%. Like this way you can provide the all the each and every month. Okay, you can observe like this graph. Okay, now we are moving to the, now we are moving to, one second. Now we are moving to build this is, so top search and the implementing the map. Okay, now come on to this section. So just I am closing this part, just one second. Yeah, I'm closing this part. So now we can moving to the our main class again. So now I'm taking the progress plotting is the main class. So that is the search content and the graph. So map, so on that map I am saying to the plot. So okay, progress and plot. Okay, this is our my main class. And that main class I'm now I'm displaying the progress. So different class, different progress is there, 90%, 20%, 60%. So okay, now we can maintaining this. So I'm taking the so I'm taking this is the one class, that is the top searching. Okay, now I'm taking the top searching. So okay, So this is the top searching. On the top searching I having the, so one is the I'm in this top searching I having the content and the displaying list of the elements. Okay, just I'm making the classes. So first one, so first one is the top search. So top search I'm making the, on that I having the search content. So I'm making the, again that was the one class search. This is my class, and that search class I having the top search. Okay, just save it and you can move on to this. So you can observe here, so my top search is displaying. Okay, next what's next we having the list, some list. So the on the list, so okay, I'm making and again I'm making the class. So that is the list class. So different, because of three elements are there, I'm making the list. Okay, just list. Okay, on that we having the label. So we now we already learn about the labels. We also know labels in the form sections. Okay, just on the form section we, okay, what's we are doing. So progress, so just making the progress. So okay, this is our progress section. So just making this class and I'm updating this. This is our progress. So just this make is the id, so easy way to accessing purpose, I'm making the id. So you can observe here and here are the same name. Just I'm making this. Okay, okay, and I can not do functions. So this is the progress. So we can don't provide this like, okay, just move on this. So just save and we can coming to this here. Our progress is searching in the loop, it is in the loop. So now update this. So our maximum progress, what, how much? So it is the 100. So 100%. So I'm giving the max function. Okay, and the max element. So what is the 100 element? So it's 100%. So you can observe here. Let's save this element and come on to section this. So it's occupying this. So providing the value. So I'm giving the value. So I'm giving value is the value is 90%. Okay, 90. So I'm giving the 90. So you can observe here. It's occupied the 90% of this progress, this graph. Okay, it's occupies the 90%. On that 90% I having the image. So one image, you can observe one image and percentage. So let's in this, I'm providing the image. So that's the image. So I'm accessing the image, my folders. So I'm providing the assets, all of the assets, so you can't bother about this. Okay, and just we are the, and we can providing the how much percent we are using. So just providing this span, and this span I am using the 90%. So just make is the some higher, some style. So making the style and provide the some padding. So padding left. So I'm giving the padding left because of it is the progress, and this 90% are touching. Okay, so 5% I'm giving. So let's save and come to one this section. Okay, just you can observe this, these values. So space and this. So now we can style upon the image. So providing this, we can decrease the some have width of the image. So now width, changing the width. Okay, width is the, I'm giving the only the 10%. Okay, 10% I'm giving. So let's observe. So you can observe. So looking good, looking cool. Okay, now we can display, displaying how much, how to displaying, it's displaying looking cool. Okay, now two classes are there now looking. So each of the displaying in very cool way. Okay, just we can access the classes. Okay, what's our content? So next three classes now, next three. So I'm just accessing those three. Okay, just move in the save. So three elements are there. So now changes their images, I'm changing their those images. Now what's our Tesla I'm accessing. So now changing bit is okay, so 100%, but I am now using the 50% on this 50%. So 50 and 50%. So let's observe, image is changed Tesla. Okay, image is changed. So now style the 10% is looking good, but it's not cool mythical way. So just observe this. Okay, it's looking good. And what's our next image, we can change, update this. So this is the filter image. So that is the filter image. So let's observe. Okay, these are the three images we are accessed, and I can update their value also. So that's the value is the only the some 30%, and make it this as in 30%, make it as in the 30%. You can observe. So it's looking good, but providing the some width and heights. Okay, some providing the width and heights. So first of all, we have how we can access those classes first. So just I am closing this. Okay, just I am closing this. So first make this is in the flex way. This first is making this flex way. So dot and plotting this. So display, because of we have also implementing the map also. that purpose. Okay, this entire in the that class only. Okay, and I'm making the some padding also. So I'm making the padding is the 2%, 2% padding. So next we come we coming to the top search content, or we coming on to the top search content and make some paddings. Okay, and maintaining some values. Okay, so dot and pixel. And how to display this is also in the display in the flex way. Display flex, you just want to this save and come on to this. These are the you can observe. So but it's not displaying in the that way. Okay, display content in the romantical way. So display in column way. Display the okay, flex direction, we're using the flex direction column. So just observe and come on to this section. So observe these are indices. Okay, and now we are maintaining this some padding. So some padding. So that's purpose I'm going to the. So what's our content? So this is the list. We can images and the values are the maintain some padding. So on that person I am accessing that class. So that's the list and providing the some some padding. So that is the 2%. 2% is the quite big good. Okay, let's come. So it's very looking very big. So 1% is the good. So okay, this is the okay. So now what can we do? We can we can update the progress. So providing the some heights and width like this way. Okay, so I'm accessing the progress. So we now already IDs are accessing through the hash symbol. Okay, on the progress I'm progressing the margin left. I'm giving to the mm, margin left. So it's moving to little bit same purpose. So 15% I am giving. So okay, okay. So now observe this is the our content. Okay, this is the our content. Now what can we do? Now what can we do? So this is the okay. And width we can increase the some width. So okay, width is the width is the 231 pixels. I'm giving the 231 pixels. So okay, it's looking quite be good. Next what can next our main content is the maintain the width, entire the width. We not maintain the entire width. Okay, this top search the width. Wait, we are losing some content. So that is the. So maintain all contents are maintained very well. Okay, just some justify contents and this are all good. And we can maintain the colors, background colors and border radius are missed. Okay, so now we can observe here our content is looking like this. Okay, these are the okay, but our background color is not looking good. Okay, we can observe our background color is not there. So next we can do background color. So background color is the white. Okay, this is the background color. So you can observe our background color is occupying the more. So but it's not content, entire content. So width we can give width we are using this here 50%. Okay, okay, in this flex just looking with looking this. Okay, and next what can we do? Next what can we do? Making the border radius also. Okay, now border radius how much you are using? 18.16 I am using 18.6 pixels. So okay, 18.6 pixels are looking good. Just okay, these all are the okay. Now you can observe here this value is not in the top notch way. So okay, just we are coming to this section. And where what's our class name? That class name is the top search content. So now make that is in the providing some heights and provide some good color. So okay, okay, and the padding left, providing the padding left first. So for 5%, I'm giving the 5%. Okay, let's observe it's okay. And now make the font size, font weight or font giving the font weight bolder. Okay, let's save this. So okay, it's looking good. And make some height. So this height is the height I'm using the height is the 50%. Okay, let's observe how much this are occupying. So it's looking top notch. And what something is missing, but it's not looking good way. So okay, we're just making the just some gap is the good. So good. Okay, so I'm using the gap. There's a gap using the 10%. So come on to this section. So it's looking quite not be good. Okay, providing the padding is also there. So I'm using the padding also in here. So padding is 100%. It's observed very well. Now next we can implement the image. So just we can do some of the close this function. Okay, close this class and using the plot. plot is our this. In this plot I having the image, that is the map. Okay, that is the map. So access that map. So pretty fetch and the image. On that image I have the world map. So I'm making the style of the image, so it's very big. So style, so width I'm giving to the 100%. Okay, 100% image accessing the 100%. Now we can observe here, this is the our image. Okay, this is the this is the our image. So let's come on to the section. So okay, because of its why it is color coming to the that color. So because of let's move this move this color, remove this color. Okay, remove this color and let's save this and come on to the section. Why this is in the blue section color. So something we don't on that image, we are implementing something wrong on that image. Okay, already we are mentioned the plot. So just remove this. So provide the map. Okay, provide the map section. So you can observe our map is also displayed. So but you know that is the coming to the 90%. So you can using the 90% only, 90% image. So okay, just it's looking quite bit good. Okay, you can observe here, this is the graphical function and this is the percentage function, this is the image function. So on last section I'm saying to you, this is all the are in this same constantical. Now can you update your months and you can change your update names of the months. Okay, and I entirely changed it in the last section. Okay, you can don't bother there. So this is the our content. So next section. So in this section what we discussed, I revising that. So how to implement the navigation bar. Okay, then how to implement this contents and how to implement these cards, under the cards how to implement the some optic opacity values. Okay, and next graphs and how to design only the cards, inner cards. This is the graph. So this is to make sure, this is most important to how we learn on the cards and flexing directions. Okay, and column. Okay, that is the information, more in-depth content we can learn in this topic. Okay, and next we can learn, this is the top search content. So how to implement the how to implementing the progress sections. So that is the and just placing the image. Okay, now we can providing the one task. This is our last content. So we can implement in this content what you learn on that content, we implement this section. Okay, so just you can implement it this section. Okay, so I'm providing the this code also in our repository. So images and what images I are used in this section, I can providing all the repositories in github link, in the github link and providing in the description. Okay, if you love this content, make sure to share to your friend and subscribe to our channel. Okay, that's the way I request each saying